This is a polyester carpet, and it's very worn. It's approximately 13 years old as the house. And there's only so much you can do with damage to the carpet fibers, but we're going to make it cleaner, make it look better, make it smell better, give it a fresher look. And we're going to do that using our low moisture dice process and set extraction process. SET stands for soil extraction transfer technology. And today we're using a small Orboset machine. It's 13-inch Orboset machine. And this machine is a very powerful machine. It hits way above its weight class. It's an orbital machine, and it oscillates at 1,725 oscillations per minute. Very effective for cleaning. And what doesn't make the video is we're going to do the engineered wood floors also. And here's just a quick look at what we're doing. We're extracting the water soluble soil, also known as WC. And there's many ways to do this. You can use hot water extraction, and you can use this method. You could use other types of VLM methods, whether they're with Rotoset machines or Orboset machines, or even dry powder methods, correct? But I believe this method is the most effective. This is part of the SET method. This is a pad extraction method. We're using a 1-inch thick microfiber pad to extract the water soluble soil. And I gotta say, don't believe all the hype that this doesn't work, that this isn't effective, this isn't a deep cleaning. It is more effective than hot water extraction. And I have the videos to prove it. I'm not just blowing up hot air. I have the footage. I know other specialists that have the footage. I have thousands upon thousands of videos in my archives, and they're going to be presented here. And I already have 250 videos on this channel, and there will be thousands more to come, and that's a guarantee. It takes a while to upload these videos. I've been doing this for a long time and have a lot of experience with this type of cleaning, among other types of cleanings as well. And I've tried all the different methods, and this one I find the best. Now, we did do a post vacuum to remove the dry and soluble soil, and that's a big key factor, is removing the dry and soluble soil and the water soluble soil. And this method does it best, and it dries within an hour. And that's great because realtors coming by later, and I believe this house is going to be shown on the next day for an open house. So it's very huge to have that done.